For Girl from Vietnam in 60 by 75 cm, rounds, version 1, we have gold crystals that will be placed in the middle of the flowers. So simply fill that in with gold crystals, the yellow part of the flower. For version 2, we add lightning diamonds and place that on the petals of the flowers. So simply follow the areas for the petals and fill that in with lightning diamonds. Finally, for version 3, we have electric diamonds that are used to outline the white drawings or the white pattern that we see behind her. And this is really beautiful. It's a lot of electric diamonds, but it just makes this image pop and it makes it come alive, and it's just beautiful. Look at that.